Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to capture macro photos on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. All you have to do is launch the camera application on your Redmi Note 14. And then within the camera app, simply tap on the arrow at the top of the screen. And then from the options that appear, simply select macro. So here it is. So tap on macro. And now you have enabled macro on your Redmi Note 14. So you can now capture any macro photo that you'd like. So let me bring an object that I'd like to capture. So as you can see, you can capture a macro object. So all you have to do is simply take a photo and then launch that particular image. And there you go. You have successfully captured a macro image on your Redmi Note 14. So that's basically it on how to capture a macro photo on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.